Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. It's Katrina. So I finally got done with my Christmas pillows today. And I may make some more, but I'm going to find some more patterns. I'm actually looking at some on Temu. But I think that these turned out beautifully. These are throw pillows. They are the larger ones. And they are double-sided. So I'm going to flip these over so you can see what they look like on the other side. I got these patterns from Walmart. And this is the other side of them. I'm really loving the plaid. It's plaid green on one side and red on the other, and it's really pretty. So I think that these pillows have turned out beautifully and will make a great addition for anybody's home decor for the holiday seasons. And these are no-sew pillows. And I used polyfill to fill them with that I also got at Walmart. This one I featured the pine cones with the red on the back. And this one is red with the Christmas swirls and stars and snowflakes on the front. I also did a green one like this. And this one has the green swirl patterns on the back, as well as the starflake, snowflake on the front. That's just me knocking everything over, y'all. I told you. So you can mix and match your patterns if you want to make these pillows. There will be a tutorial in my membership on making these pillows. But in the meantime, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.